Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a January 2018 update here. I guess I would assume big things here. First, I was able to take a bunch of the spare parts I had for different rare assemblies and stuff, and I was able to create a second just standalone signal with flashing lights on it. And this is wired into my main control box for the other crossings, so the lights will sync together with that. I just have a wire that's run from here into the side of the cabinet over there, and this connects in with the existing flasher. These are 8-inch Safetran halogen lights. These lights were the original lights that I had on my crossing setup when I put it in 3 years ago. And then over the years, as I upgraded and got to put in 12-inch, these kind of just sat in storage. So I was able to pull them back out and remount them to this pole that I got and the base. And that took the old crossbuck that was off of my crossing back in, again, when I first put it up, the original one. Last year I upgraded to a newer crossbuck. So this other one just kind of sat in storage. So thought, yeah, why not just make a second one, so that goes again in sync with the other gate. The other big thing, which everybody has been telling me to get one, is a e-bell. That's right, folks, I finally got the e-bell, and I'm not sure who makes it because there's no manufacturer name on it. So if you know or it sounds familiar, let me know. I think I've gotten aired on maybe a couple companies, but I'm not quite sure. I think a company out of Evansville, I can't think of the actual name of it, but I think they might be the manufacturer. But anyway, yeah, I took down the mechanical bell that's in storage inside now and replaced it with the e-bell. So if I go and let's just hear the bell for a second, turn my gate override on, and so I'll turn the flashing lights on here. So that will keep the gate up. Now when I flip this switch here, it'll override the bell. So this is what it sounds like. So it is pretty loud. I need to adjust the volume on it, I think. I can see my neighbors complaining right now. But yeah, so that is the kind of the big thing, and definitely excited to get it. It definitely makes the crossing a lot more realistic. I mean, you can actually hear it now. So the mechanical bells were great, but you could hear when the gate was going up down, the motor was grinding and stuff. You could hear it in the bell. But now it's pretty solid, so there's no variation in the sound level or anything. So, but as you can see, between, if I stand back here far enough away, you can see the two lights there. Yeah, there you go. They're now flashing in unison. And again, I've got the gate in an override up position right now, so that's why it's up, not coming down. But yeah, I'm glad I was able to kind of get them back out of the garage, clean them up a bit, replace the lights in them, and put it up. I think it makes a nice little compliment to the setup I have here. My goal is, well, one, the control panel here and the other one for the traffic light, they're going to be replaced this spring. Still working on the replacement one inside, but it's going to be all electronic versus this is kind of all mechanical. And then the traffic control box, I have a newer one that's going to hook up with this, because right now I'm kind of limited to what I can and can't do. I put this light in here that is supposed to flash when the traffic light goes, but I realized after I put it in that the box I have isn't capable of doing that. I tried to kind of override it a bit and rewire it, but it's not working. So that's going to be on hold until I get the new box put in. And this signal, I want to paint the pole here a nice silver, and I'm going to amend the pole on top and try to raise the crossbuck a little bit. But because right now I'm missing a couple pieces on it, so unfortunately I have it kind of zip tied in. But I've got these lights here angled off to the side, similar to the way that one is up there. So yeah, this is January almost February 2018 update here. And yeah, once the weather warms up a bit here, I'm going to work on the newer control boxes here, and these are going to be replaced. And yeah, everything should be running a lot smoother, and it'll be a lot more timed, more evenly. So as always, if you got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, and we will see you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and view my other videos. Talk to you later.